How to sell ads on Telegram and make money. One of the fastest way to make money on Telegram is by selling ads. And on this platform, telegram.io, you can make money whether you're a channel owner or you are just an advertiser. So if you're a channel owner, you can estimate the earnings that you can make on your channel by selecting your topic and sliding this to show the number of subscribers you have on your account. So this portion is the estimate amount you can earn on your channel, and this is the number of subscribers. So you can select from all the niche here that is provided, and you can calculate the amount that you can earn with the subscribers that you have on your channel. So it is very simple. Why do you want to choose Telegram to advertise or sell ads? It is trusted by over 2,798 verified channels, and withdrawals are 3 times in a week. Their support system is 7 days a week. Communication with real customers who have placed orders, and is very convenient. Guaranteed payment is for you. So in this video, I'll take you through the simple steps you can use telegram.io to sell ads on Telegram and make money. Stay with me to the end. Let's look at channel owners, what you can do. So you can add your channel to this platform, telegram.io, and sell ads on your channel. It is very simple. This is how it works. Add your channel to the catalog. On average, the moderation time is 24 hours on average. It can take less. Okay, you receive orders and publish it, and you get notified. So any placement that is done on your channel, you get a notification and you get paid. Once your money gets to $10, you can withdraw. There are lots of things you can do on telegram.io. So if you are a channel owner, this is what you can do. If you are just an advertiser, let's say you don't have any channel, but you want to advertise and make money, you can also do that. Okay, so this is how that one also works. Sign up to Telegram. You select suitable channels. Okay, you can go through all the channels and you select the one that works with the advert you want to place. You top up your balance at your convenience. Okay, you top up. They have various payment methods that you can use to top up your account. You create ad campaigns. The campaigns are published. You can download reports, share with the people that you place ads for, and you get paid. There are so many ways you can make money with this, and it's very simple. I'll take you through all the steps in creating your account and placing ads. This is very simple. You can sell your service on Fiverr as an advertiser on Fiverr, and when someone buys your gig, you can come here on Telegram and you place the ad and you get paid. So you can try this. Okay, so let's go through the process step by step. Don't skip any part of this video. Follow me step by step, and you get your Telegram account and know how you can also make money selling ads. So let's roll. To create your account, you click on sign up. You provide your email address. You click on create an account. So with this, when you click on create an account, it will automatically sign you into the account. And there are so many things that you can do when you log in. So here you can look at your projects, and all the projects that you've done will be here. Your channels that you've added, channels and chats will be here. Ads that you've requested will be here. If you've added any bots, you can look at it here. There are special offers that you can take advantage of. They are also here. And your template. If you have created any template, you can access them here. All the packages that you've signed up to will be here. All your invoices. You can also make money as an affiliate. So there is an affiliate program you can take advantage of. So you just choose any of these. So these are some of the channels where you can promote your services, or you can promote ads and make money. So you can filter and choose the topics. So when you place an advert or you place a service on Fiverr that you want to advertise for some people, so when you receive any order from any institution or company, the niche that they are. For example, if they are into if they are into cars and vehicles, what it means is that you want to target channels that deals in cars and vehicles, because that is where the people will be interested in the ad that you want to serve. So if they deal in cars and vehicles, you want to select car as the topic, and it will list all the channels that are into cars and vehicles. You can select the language and it will show you all the channels. So with this, you can place ads on these channels and it will show you the charge. So now let's look at how you can add a channel as a channel owner. You just click on projects and you click on my channel. Okay, you click on my channel and then it will show you all your channels if you already have channels. But look at this, it says confirm your email to add channels to your catalog. So you just click on send the link. It will send a link to your email address and you just follow that link to activate or verify your account. So when you open your email and click on the link that has been sent to you, it will verify your account for you. And now this is how it looks like. You just click on add channel. So when you click on add channel, you can now provide the link to your channel. You give it a title. If it is a channel or a group, you give it. You select the theme or the niche of that channel and you provide a short description. You can select the ad format that you want to place in these ads. So take your time, go through all these, fill it, and then you click on add channel. So it is very simple to add your channel to your Telegram account. So the process again, you click on projects, and the project you go to my channels. If you've not verified your account, you click on send link and then you follow the link to verify your account. Then you click on add channel. You fill all the details and you click on add and your channel will be added. As simple as that. So this is the simple process for adding your channel. So this is for those who are channel owners and want to make money on Telegram with Telegram.io. So now you've added your channel. We want to assume that you have your channel added and you want to request an ad. So requesting ad means that you are requesting that ads are being placed on your channel so that you can also make money. Same way, you just bring your cursor to projects and you click on add request. So when you click on add request, it will give you the chance to select your channel, all the channels that you have added. You select the channel, you check the status, and you place your request. You can also, if you have a bot, you can also click on the bot and you request the ads. If you also have special offers, you can view the special offers and request those ads to be run on your channel. It is very simple. You just need to go through all the process step by step and life will be easier for you. There are so many services. They have the catalog of Telegram channels. These catalog of Telegram channels are places where non-channel owners can also make money. So if you have any gig from Fiverr or any request from any institution to run ads for them, you come to the catalog, you search the topic. So what niche, what business are they into? Is it arts and design? Is it beauty? Is it bets and gambling? Is it blog? You select one of them that is peculiar to the advert you want to run, and it will list all the channels that are into that niche, and you can buy ads from there. You just click on add to cart. Okay, when you add to cart, it will then give you the chance to place your ads into that. You can also buy Telegram channels from Telegram.io. It is very simple. You just need to keep it simple and you can make money. So if you also don't want to place ads or sell ads on Telegram, you can also take advantage of the affiliate service, their affiliate program, and make money. So you can join the affiliate program, just share the links and you get paid. So you can just copy the link or you share to other platforms, and when people buy any service from Telegram.io, you get a percentage of the amount that they've shared. So go through all these steps. Let us know if you have any challenge in the comment section. Okay, subscribe to our channel. Click on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. There are so many ways you can make money on Telegram, and this is just one way. Subscribe to the channel so that you get to know all the various ways you can make money on Telegram. Thank you for watching.